In this short tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Google app not working on an Android phone. Sometimes, the Google app can stop responding or won't open at all. This can be frustrating, but there are simple steps you can follow to solve the problem. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it to view all installed applications. In this section, you'll see a list of all apps installed on your device. To quickly locate the Google app, tap on the search button at the top right corner. Type in Google in the search bar. The results will show various Google-related applications. Select the Google app from these search results. Now that you're on the Google app info page, scroll down a bit and tap on Storage. To clear any accumulated cache or data that might be causing issues, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure about deleting this data. Tap Delete to confirm your choice. Clearing data removes any corrupted files or outdated information linked to your usage of the Google app. This process often resolves issues like crashes or slow performance by providing a fresh start for the application. After completing these steps, open up your Google app again. It should now function smoothly without previous errors. If problems persist even after following these steps, consider checking for updates via the Play Store or restarting your device entirely as additional troubleshooting measures. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.